Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your credit card payments with Discover easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your credit card payments with Discover, start by logging into your Discover account. Visit the official Discover website or open the Discover mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Once logged in, look for the Payments or Payment Options section. Click on this section to explore your available payment methods. If you want to change a scheduled payment, find the Scheduled Payments option. Select the payment you wish to adjust. You will see options to change the amount or the date of the payment. Make your desired changes and confirm your selections. If you prefer to set up a new payment, return to the main payments page. Choose the Make a Payment option. Enter the payment amount and select the payment date. Review the details to ensure everything is correct. Once verified, click on the Submit or Confirm Payment button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating your payment has been scheduled. If you need to reset automatic payments, go back to the Payments section. Locate the autopay settings. Select the option to edit or turn off auto payments. Follow the prompts to complete the changes. Always log out of your account once you finish managing your payments for security. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Discover customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.